All right, in this video I'm going to be going over what is deb in an APT line of text source. In the sources.list text file, it says, here's the source, all this garbage right here. So what is deb, right? What is deb? It is in that context, in the context of this APT line of text source. What is deb? Deb is a keyword that tells APT that any of the files it downloads from from the rest of it, right, is that it's going to be deb files, right? So this right here signifies to APT that all the rest of this, right, that this source is which refers to the USB source that I installed Linux Mint on, is it's a deb file, right? So let's go to APT. See, there's one source, but let's actually go to sources.list, official package repositories, right here. Okay, deb is signifying to APT that all the packages it's going to get from here, right, from this repository, from this website, it's signifying that all the packages that it's going to get from there are deb files, right? So why does deb exist in an APT line of source, right? Deb exists in contrast to deb src, right? So APT can only download to my understanding, APT can only download two types of files, deb or deb source, right? So what is deb source? Deb source is a keyword in the APT line of text source that tells APT that any files it downloads from this source, a source that starts with deb src, from this source is going to be the source code of the program plus the Debian control files .dsc and the diff.giz containing the changes needed for packaging the program. So to my understanding, so APT line of text sources start with either deb or deb source. Yes. What does deb mean? It stands for Debian package repository. Okay. What does deb.source means? It means Debian source, to my understanding. So there you go. That is what the deb in an APT line of text source is.